Ever wondered where your bank truly operates? Not just the branch on your corner, but the very heart of its administration? Today, we're diving deep into the operational geography of one of Australia's largest financial institutions, Westpac. Think about it. When you log into your online banking, where is that data being processed? When a major decision is made about interest rates or new products, where are those discussions happening? The answer, for Westpac, lies firmly within the borders of New South Wales, Australia. Westpac's headquarters, the central nervous system of its vast network, is located in Sydney, the vibrant capital of New South Wales. This isn't just a mailing address, it's where the executive leadership resides, where the major strategic initiatives are formulated, and where the core administrative functions are carried out. From the towering corporate offices in the heart of the city, decisions that impact millions of customers across Australia and beyond are made daily. But the story doesn't end there. While the headquarters are in Sydney, Westpac's presence extends far beyond a single building. New South Wales is also home to a significant portion of Westpac's broader operational infrastructure. This includes key data centers that power their digital services, important processing hubs that handle transactions, and numerous regional offices that support the extensive branch network throughout the state. Why New South Wales? There are several compelling reasons. Sydney, as Australia's financial hub, provides access to a deep pool of talent, a sophisticated infrastructure, and a well-established regulatory environment. Being situated in a major economic center allows Westpac to readily engage with other key players in the financial industry, fostering collaboration and staying at the forefront of market developments. Furthermore, Westpac's historical roots are deeply intertwined with New South Wales. Originally known as the Bank of New South Wales, founded in 1817, the institution has grown alongside the state's development. This long-standing connection has fostered strong ties with the local community and solidified New South Wales as a natural home for its central operations. It's important to distinguish between the location of the headquarters and the widespread reach of Westpac services. While its administrative heart beats in New South Wales, Westpac has a significant presence in every state and territory across Australia, as well as international operations. Branches, ATMs, and dedicated staff serve customers nationwide and in select overseas locations. However, the ultimate control and strategic direction emanate from their base in New South Wales. So, the next time you interact with Westpac, remember that the core of its operations, the place where the big decisions are made and the central administration functions, is located in the state of New South Wales, Australia, specifically in the bustling city of Sydney. This foundational presence in New South Wales underpins the services they provide to millions, both domestically and internationally. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.